Dirty legend.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put.
This is a lifestyle of a millionaire forex trader, Dr. Elvis Justice Bedi. So yeah, enjoy.
Alright, so this is what I love about this car, right? When you want to start it, you just look at how it, and look at this, how the speakers comes out and everything. And even if you want to charge your phone, you just put, there's a charger for you here, you just put it, boom, it's charging. Like, amazing.
So before you even move further, let me tell you a little bit about Dr. Elvis Justice Bedi, aka the US 30 legend. So he is currently in Russia in medical school, so he's a doctor apparently, and he is a professional forex trader. He has been in the market since some years back, and he's still doing wonders in the market. Right, so the name US 30 legend actually came up just because he has been killing the US 30 indices in the stock market. He has been killing it left, right, center, making profit more than losses. So yeah, that's how come he came up, like that's how come he got a name, the title US 30 legend. Right, so this is the lifestyle. Enjoy.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God, they all let me down.
What's up, everyone? Elvis here. So I just got to the airport, just posted a signal to the community. Currently running 100 points. It's still going on well. 180 points. Just made 2,500, and also up. You can see the withdrawal, 10k. Just made a 10k withdrawal, 9k profits. Of course, a live account. Don't miss the monthly event. I'm coming, right? I'll be there soon.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I win the crown.
What is up, guys? Elvis Justice here, and today again from the Tom's trading floor. Today we're going to talk about debt. Today we are going to talk about debt. Now, first thing you want to know about debt is there are two types of debt here. There's a good debt. Tip 1 almost about to hit, and I'm running 200 and 400 pips in profit. Buy gold to Zumba, sell gold to Bogota. TP1 about to be hit, 90 pips. You can see on your screen, $400, euros, sorry. Live account, of course.
Actually, the aim of this video is to tell you that there are so many possibilities on the internet. I mean, when it comes to the forex trading, so when you take it serious and venture into it, you will be able to make fortune for yourself, provided you are pretty much serious about it. Right, so I'm going to leave a link to his YouTube channel in a video description. You can go ahead and check it out, and don't forget, give a like to this video and also share it with others to motivate others as well. This is Godsway here, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace out.